Some big news coming in here. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath launches a scathing attack on Akhilesh Yadav over India's biggest cash seizures in Kanpur. Yogi says that it's now clear why Bua Bhatija opposed demonetization, as Samajwadi supporter with Swedish perfume are now being raided by Income Tax Department. In fact, remember, BJP claims that Samajwadi perfumes were manufactured by scam king Piyush Jain. Now, this is a massive scam that they've mostly now extracted close to over 300 crore rupees, and all in cash. In fact, the agency officials are still present at that site, the raid site, where they're still counting money in counting machines. And now Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath attacks Akhilesh Yadav over India's biggest cash seizure in Kanpur. Yogi says that it's now clear why Bua Bhatija opposed demonetization. This comes as the perfume trader has been arrested. This is a man who made Samajwadi perfumes that was launched by Akhilesh Yadav recently. Let's take a listen what Yogi has to say.
मैंने तो आज तक देखा था और मैंने सुना था और पुराणों में भी, धार्मिक ग्रंथों में भी यही बात मैं मानता था, सुनता था, देखता था कि देवी लक्ष्मी दीपावली के दिन दीपोत्सव के साथ आती है, लेकिन इन पापियों ने तो दीवालों में बंद करके रखा है। देखा आपने समाजवादी पार्टी के नेताओं के घरों में दीवालों से भी देवी लक्ष्मी अब निकलने लग गई है। नोटों की गड्डियां अनगिनत गिने नहीं जा रहे हैं, 3 दिन से गिने जा रहे हैं, और गिनते गिनते जब सभी अधिकारी थक गए हैं तो समाजवादी पार्टी के बबुआ अपने जेब में बोतल लेकर के फिर रहे हैं। अब उनको अपना असली चेहरा जनता के सामने जब नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है तो स्वीडन में बनी हुई बोतल को अपनी जेब में रख करके एक नई नौटंकी करते हुए दिखाई दे रहे हैं। अब समझ में आया होगा कि बुआ और बबुआ नोटबंदी का विरोध क्यों करते थे। ये नोटबंदी का विरोध क्यों करते थे? क्योंकि प्रदेश को लूट करके इन लोगों ने अपने घरों की दीवारों में नोट तो कैद करके रखे हुए थे, और इनको भय था कि अगर मोदी जी इन नोटों को चलन से दूर कर देंगे तो ये लोग अपने हाथ पर पटोला रह करके घूमते रहेंगे और फिर इनको कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला है।
And we quickly got across to Samarth Srivastava joining us live from Kannauj, Uttar Pradesh. Samarth, as expected, Yogi Adityanath there hitting out at Akhilesh Yadav, saying this is why Akhilesh did not want demonetization. It is indeed the biggest cash seizure the country has seen, a whopping 257 crore rupees that they've recovered in cash, and they're still counting. Take us through the enormous scam. What was the real modus operandi, and how is this accused related to Akhilesh Yadav?
See, UP CM Yogi Adityanath has launched a scathing attack on Akhilesh Yadav, targeting Mayawati, even saying Bua Bhatija never wanted demonetization because such raids are exposing what was hidden. But it is evident that the raid is on, and we are reporting from Kannauj, the place where Piyush Jain's ancestral home is, and you can see the notice being pasted out here by the CGST intelligence unit, and we'll take you inside where the raid is on. This is the outside portion of this particular house, and now we will move further inside to show you what's happening, what the raid is all about. And this is the place, these are the narrow lanes where the entire money was hidden by the perfume industrialist Piyush Jain, and we'll go inside this particular lane to know what was that. This entire house as you are seeing out here on India Today TV, this belongs to Piyush Jain. Various doors are there in this particular house. As you can see, this one, these are the windows, and right as we move further, the house has no ending. This is a big bungalow kind of house out here in the narrow lane of Kannauj, and you can expect more money to come out from this particular place in Kanpur. Around 250 crores have been recovered, including jewelry. While the raid is still on in Kannauj, where I'm reporting from, the teams of State Bank of India and Reserve Bank of India are inside counting the money, and this is the office.
Well,
this is the office
certainly is the largest seizure of cash. Undoubtedly, Samarth, they're bringing us the visuals live as we speak, where he says officials are currently inside counting that money. They brought cash machines now.